Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope everybody is well. Live from the kitchen in Somalia, in Baran. I am making breakfast. I just woke up and I'm gonna make simple breakfast. Hansamania. Eggs. I'm tired. Eggs and tomato. Very westernized. So eggs and tomato. And bread. Bread macaroni. I don't know, that kind of Somalia. I don't remember. I don't remember. Well, it's soft. It's very fresh and soft. There's a bakery here. So my auntie, she's from Yemen. I mean, she was born in Yemen. She lived in Yemen, and because of the situation in Yemen, which is not very safe at the moment, and the economic situation is terrible, we decided that she would move to Baran, Somalia. So I took this opportunity to come and help, mashallah. So we rented a 4-bedroom house for her and her children, and this is the kitchen. We bought this cooker, which was like, I should have made a vlog when I was buying the stuff. So this cooker is about 180. So we bought this cooker, the gas here. You have to put this gas tank, which is, I'll show you in a bit, gas tank. And then life here is not bad. Is actually, I was expecting worse. I'm impressed, and Baran is actually a very small town. It's not a big town. I like Bosas. Where my house is bigger. There's a lot of facility, but it's so hot. Like hot, crazy hot, ridiculous hot. I couldn't take the heat that I have, even though they said it's not that hot yet. And people apparently they leave in the summer from Basas, they go to other towns, smaller towns like Qardo, and they go to Baran, and they go to Dahar, and they go to Garaway, and they come like the city of Basas become like a ghost town because it's a port city, and the heat is just too much. Hey, shall I make the vlogs in Somali or in English? I was meant to make more vlogs outside, but I was advised against it because there are some children who might just snatch the phone from my hand. And phone here is very important, very, very important. Not because it's a phone and need your bloody phone. No. Because you pay through your phone, everything. Wallahi, like there is no cash here. If you're looking for digital world, this is it, Somalia. Wallahi, Somalia is a digital world, digital currency. So you go to this phone service, bank/phone service, and you buy a SIM card, you put it there, and then you go there and you give them dollar. Yeah, so you give them $100, $200. Yeah, there's no national currency that has been collapsed. There's one in it's still small regions, they still use it. It's called shilling. Allah yarhamu. This country uses dollar. It's not the currency, and it's expensive. Oh my god. It is so expensive here. Like, if you're crying about inflation in UK and Europe, you need to come here. This is real inflation. It is so expensive. Allah buy it. It's expensive. And they think dollar is nothing. I'm like, are you guys serious? Like, what? Yeah, dollar is nothing here. Dollar is nothing, wallahi. So I'll take you around the house just a bit. I can't open some of the rooms. I'm just gonna open the unused room because other rooms are occupied, so I can't show you yet. So this is the kitchen. Let me turn the camera. Okay, this is the kitchen. Let me start from the beginning. Look here. You come here. So here's the cupboards. You put all this stuff. It's a counter. Sholat di red. This is a small cooker. I mean, we want to get the oven one later, but this is for now. And you have to buy this tank, gas tank, which costs $30 a month. It depends how you use it. There's no water. There's no water in the house, except the bathrooms, the toilets, but the kitchen, you have to fill in the buckets. That's the inconvenience. You get used to it. So here, there's a little store where we put vegetables. Here is a bit like a cooler. It's like a I don't know, in-house cooler. So we bought vegetables. It's not bad, wallahi. You know, there's a good variety of vegetables. Not bad. That's green tomato, the onion, potato. Today I'm making chicken and chips. Hola, hola. I'm making chicken and chips. Okay. I think there's a cabbage. You have to. I think because I'm from the West, so I need my bottled water because I'm so spoiled. My bottled water. That's a must. Yeah, sorry. I'm way too spoiled. So, Edo, I'm making a record. Okay, صابحين. بصور. Okay, so this is the house. I think I should start from the beginning. This is the one of the toilets. It's not bad, wallahi. This is one of the empty rooms. The house is four rooms, 4 bedrooms. Okay, so this is one of the rooms. Very good. That's like a double-sized room in England. Okay, it's actually even bigger. It's actually one of the smallest rooms. It's not bad. See, inbuilt fan. Look, that's the inbuilt fan. Nice light. The light changes colors. لا لحمة. That's another room. I can't open this one. Same size, the other one is a bit bigger. That's a third room. And that's a second toilet. That's a second toilet. It has a shower like this. This is a shower and a water heater. Okay. So that is that is 1, 2, 3, and the 4th room. I can't show it, people are there. And here is a sitting room, which we haven't put any furniture yet. That's a sitting room. So is that we're gonna put here. We're gonna put chairs, sofas and stuff, and then the TV is gonna be here, and it's gonna be a dining room, inshallah. Very nice. Yeah, actually, UK, we don't even have houses like this unless you're rich. Okay, this is the veranda where you sit here. This is the house from the outside. I should have really started from here. And here's the car park, so you can just drive the car in. This is the gates. This is another room outside. This is the water tank, which you fill monthly. Look how clear is the sky. Very clear. Look here. Ahmed! Okay,